This group adheres to the principle of connectivity, which reveals that it is a small world after all. So, light on, and the basic gem, the retirees will present a literary musical number. Live a life that matters. What will matter? What will matter? Not your success, but your significance. What will matter? Not your word, but what you told. What will matter is your confidence, but your character. What will matter is every act of integrity, compassion, courage of sacrifice that enrich, empower, or encourage others to emulate your examples. Living a life that matters doesn't happen by accident. It's not a matter of circumstance, but of choice. Choose to live a life that matters.